Namaste everyone. Sciatica pain can cause discomfort along the lower back, hips and legs, often due to nerve compression or muscular tightness. In this session, we are going to practice gentle yoga asanas which can help to release the muscular tension, supports spinal flexibility and which will relieve the sciatica pain. Let's start. First asana is supta vajrasana, to gently stretch your spine, lower back and hips. This posture helps to release deep muscular tension. Let's start. First sit in vajrasana, sit in between your heels, then place your both the palm at your back, then slowly with the support of your palm and elbows lie down. Lie down. You can stay there in this position, or you can cross your arms and you can place the crossed portion behind your head and maintain this for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you can release. Repeat this for 3 rounds. Then you can slowly come up. Next, we are going to practice kapotasana. Variation number 1, and this asana helps to open your hip joints and also stretches the piriformis muscle, which often contributes to sciatica pain. Let's practice this together. For this asana, you can either sit in vajrasana or sit in dandasana by stretching both the legs forward. Now stretch your right leg behind your back. Then place your left knee in between your both the palm and your left heel should be closer to your right palm. Then keeping your back straight or spine straight, maintain this. And you can feel a deep stretch in your lower back, hip. And this is very effective for sciatica pain. You can hold it for 10 seconds with normal breathing. After that, you can release and repeat the same practice on the other side. Come to Vajrasana or Dandasana, then release. Next, we are going to practice Vakrasana, and this is a very important asana. This asana gently twists the spine, improving the flexibility of your spine, and it also releases stiffness around the lower back portion. Let's practice this together. Sit in Dandasana first, then bend your right leg at your knee. The right heel should be closer to the left knee. Now place your right hand at your back. The right hand should be closer to your body. Then as you inhale, raise your left hand above your head, twist to the right side. As you exhale, place your left armpit at the outside of your right knee. Then extend your left hand. Then you can catch the toes of your right leg and then you can look back and maintain. This movement supports nerve mobility and promotes better spinal alignment. Maintain this for 10 seconds with normal breathing. After this, you can release the asana and repeat the same asana on the other side. Next, we are going to practice Setubandhasana. This asana strengthens the back muscles and open the hip flexors. Let's practice this together. Lie down in Shavasana. Join your both the legs together, both the palm by the side of your body. Now bend your both the legs at your knees. Maintain hip width distance between your knees. Heels closer to the hips. Now with your right hand or right palm, hold your right heel and hold the left heel with your left hand or left palm. Then as you inhale, slowly and gently raise your pelvic region up and maintain for 10 seconds with normal breathing. Setubandhasana supports the lower spine and improves circulation in the pelvic region. Then you can release this asana after 10 seconds. Slowly and gently you can release. You can practice this asana for 3 rounds. then come back to supine position. Next we are going to practice supta kapotasana. Supta kapotasana provides deep stretch to your hips and glute muscles. Let's practice. Again, lie down in supine position on your back, joining both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Now bend your right leg at your knee, then place your right ankle joint over the left thigh. Now interlace your fingers behind your left thigh and then draw your left thigh towards your chest and hold it for 10 seconds or 10 counts and maintain with deep breathing. After 10 counts, you can release the asana and then you can repeat the same practice on the other side. This posture is very much beneficial for relieving pressure on the sciatic nerve. Next, we are going to practice Pavan Muktasana with one leg. This asana releases the tension from your lower back and hips. So lie down in supine position, both the palm by the side of your body. Now bend your right leg at your knee. Then interlace your fingers at the back of your right thigh and gently draw your right thigh towards your chest and maintain. This asana gently massages your abdominal organs. Also, it supports spinal extension and it is very much effective for sciatica pain. After holding it for 10 to 20 seconds, you can release the asana and do the same practice on the other side. Then one more effective asana for sciatica pain is Markatasana twisting. Again, lie down in supine position on your back, join both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Now bend your both the legs at your knees. You can maintain hip width distance between your knees, heels closer to your hips, then place your both the palm at your shoulder level, palm facing down. Now as you exhale, twist your lower body or both the legs to the right side and head to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist your lower body or legs to the left side, head to the other side. And do this for 10 to 15 times. Inhale, center, exhale, right. Inhale, center, exhale, left. Inhale, center, exhale, right. Inhale, center, exhale, left. Markatasana is a gentle spinal twist that releases stiffness from the lower back and relaxes the nervous system. After 10 to 15 times, you can hold the asana in the right side for 10 seconds. Then again hold this asana in the left side for another 10 seconds. After this, come to the center and you can release. Again come back to supine position. Here you can practice deep relaxation in Shavasana for 5 to 10 minutes. Regular practice of these asanas can manage sciatica pain by improving the flexibility of your spine, by releasing tension from your lower back, hips, and reducing tensions from your lower back muscles. Practice consistently without strain and listen to your body. That is very important. Thanks for practicing. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please comment, share, like and subscribe to this channel. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Namaste.